Okay guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Got the Redcat Gen8 Axe Edition out again. I did that beach crawl and I really had a lot of fun with it, so I figured I'd finally do a couple adjustments and get this thing out for some more crawling. So I tucked the bumpers in the front and the back. The back is not fully tucked in, but it did have to align with the back of the body, so I did get to go in a little bit and I did just trim the body up. I went ahead and I programmed the ESC really good. I hadn't gave it a tune, it was just what came out of the box. So now the servo's cranked up to the 7.4 volts. I turned all like that assist stuff off, and then I'm gonna, test and tune different settings. But for now, that's kind of the setup I got. I got a couple of drivers in there, and yeah, they are ready to hit the trail. So I'm at a really nice spot here, and yeah, let's go for a little crawl, guys. I'm your friend now. Alright guys, so I found a little rock kill here, so I can give you guys a little commentary and see. So the settings definitely have made a difference. The look is better with that front bumper tucked in and the back. So let's see how these Super Swampers do. This kind of looks like pretty decent stickiness, but see that the length of this truck is definitely a disadvantage if you're going for all-out performance. But this truck is such a good looker. Wow, that torque of the Hobby Wing system, super smooth control. Oh wow. Okay, I'm getting a little hung up there. Let's back it up. There we go. Fall in there, get that back end up. Ooh. Little speed. Ooh, turtle down. Okay, attempt number 2 here. This is pretty vertical. The traction is there. Let's try a different line. I get this truck up. No. This is where I wish Mrs. Propaganda was here so she could drive. I could have something else to test up against. But the weather's going to be good and there's no snow in this area. So I'll be able to come back again soon. Okay. Not going to make that one. Let's find something different. This is less steep. 3-wheel motion almost. See, oh, it's settling. It's gripping. Whoa. See, it does, even with these soft foams, have good side hilling, this truck. Okay, it's loose. Ooh, ooh, on the side. Okay. Let's try to get a better approach. That reef servo is now in 7.4 volts as well, which is nice. Okay, here we go, more straight on approach. Ooh, still Lots of soft dirt. Ooh, even the speed. Okay, let's just hit it full bore. Ooh, ooh, we flipped. This sand is proving to be tricky. Oof, almost had it there. Oof. Oh, there you go. Sometimes you just need a little speed. There's more of that soft stuff. These little trucks never really do that good in soft dirt. See how it's just digging in? I mean, it is fighting. The system is good. Wow. It's just keeping the wheels turning, but I don't want to make too much of a mess. Okay, let's move on to another section. Okay, found a spot with some rocks. So now we can get some traction. See how this bad baby climbs. Okay, here it goes. Oh yeah, good traction. Long body, not a problem. That breakover though, oh, look at the breakover. It's getting bellied up. Oh, it's fighting for some traction. Look at that tire just getting sucked in. Let's back it down. Oh, there we go. I just had to flex it over that side. Beautiful. Okay, let's do a little straddle through here. Ooh, yeah, it's up on there. Oh, ho, ho, yeah. That looks like some nice flex. Might have to move the camera as we bring her down. Oh, that servo just holds that. Ooh, scratching the body. Camera move. Let's move it back. Okay. Still coming down and turning. Woo! Back it up. Turn it out. Back it up again. Oh! Nice stuff. Nice. Very controlled. Really smooth system. Okay. So here's a good angle. I found a really steep rock here. Show you. Really good control. Really nice. I mean, you can really crawl. So all the suspension, everything is stock. And you can see how steep it gets. Hoping you can see on camera. My shadow's not too in that. But I mean, look at that drag brake. And look at, I'm able to get it up onto the three-wheel motion. Look at the figs. Look at the angle of them. I mean, check out that angle. See, that camera is level right now. And then look at that. That's bringing it there. So you can see that that is a steep angle. My tire, super pooched. So, I mean, this truck, it's balanced. It can climb. It's got some good forward weight. Now, let's see if I can manage it all the way to the crest here. Oh, whoa, saved it. That side is a little steep. I'm trying to do this with one hand because I don't have my one-handed radio. Okay, so it should make it here. Oh yeah, baby. No problemo. Cowabunga, dude. Wow, Mike Angelo. He's going nuts. Look at him. He's doing donuts. Oh. Woo, crashed it. Oh, yeah. What do you guys think of that? Looks pretty good, huh? It is beautiful. not that much crawling here, despite what you see, but I found some lines. Crazy driver. Well, all right, guys. I guess that's gonna be the end of my video. I got stuff to go do. Didn't get to do as much crawling as I wanted, but I did want to show you guys kind of like what is going on with this truck a little bit more. I'm still, you know, learning, having fun with it, but so far, I mean, the rig's been a blast. You definitely want to tuck those bumpers in and get your ESC all sorted out. Make sure you got all the settings on there to suit the driving style that you want for the system. I do look forward to running the system a little more, but so far I seem to like the Axe. It hasn't bothered me. I gotta go to my main spots and test it alongside my other trucks. So far it does just seem to be doing good, and it needs a little more testing before I can really give you my opinions. It does remind me of the TRX4, I think, just because of the portals, the way it kind of has a feel to it. It is on the loud side, but what are you gonna do? That's not really a big deal. It's just those Mod 1 gears in there, so no big deal. But thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.